Nice one. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, New Guinea Online. Yes, let's get into the tutorial. Open the app, or if you are using the site. Okay, there's a lot of spots where you can choose from, like horse racing, football, soccer, rugby league, tennis. And so to create your bet builder, you choose the team, which team or game you want to bet on. Like I'll go for Liverpool and Crystal Palace. Then you go to the bet builder and it shows, just click on the drop down menu and you choose any market, like total goals, the result, corners, card. And there's a lot to choose from there. So yeah. Free kicks or free throw in, you can choose for which team. Like for Liverpool, you say player tackles or assistance, player passes, goalkeeper save, anything. So one thing I like about Bet635 is they have the best market there. Bet635. So you can choose from a range of sports, which one you prefer the most there. Okay. Okay, when after you choose all your selections on that team, you just add your selection list, and you can put your stake, your amount that you want to bet on, like $1, $2, 5 or 50, $100. How much you want to place on that bet on that team? Yeah, you can choose from the three icon there. Any matches that are available will be shown on that. So you can choose and select another different team and add multiple games to a single bet. Yeah, like for now we choose Arsenal and Aston Villa. You can choose, like I said, Bet635, they have a great market across any sports book betting sites that you know of. Bet635 got the best markets out there. So guys, I would recommend you to create an account on this sports book. And responsible gambling, so one talk lo talk, cock lo dog. Nice one. Yeah. After you second select your like another different team, then the odds multiply. And like if you get a chance of higher amount of winning. So, like I said, there's a lot of games. Like I'm choosing for soccer here right now. So yeah, if you want a more detailed, further assistant on how to place bets or go through the website, please leave a comment. Tell us what you want to say, what you think. It will help us to create more videos like this. So please like the video, comment, leave your thoughts, and we will work this together. Any selections like Chelsea goalkeeper save, unembla keeper amba like save him plenty goal. So one thing was him the side flow all on the strong team na lilik weak team player was him. It's la strong team amba kisim plenty shot amba try goal close to a thing ema. So that team has high probability of winning. So it's ambaga wogi plenty shots low goal mouth blow it's like weak team. So the other team, the weak team, keeper blend must like good keeper. So amba catch him some like in shots number inside low. It's like 18 yard number there. So that's it. That's how you build a bet builder, and yeah, you can add multiple different games into one, like soccer with horse racing, rugby league, dart, tennis, volleyball, boxing, anything. You can combine all those different sports into one single bet. That's amazing. So yeah, you can see I have a current bet running. You can see your bets, your cash out live and settled, all those ones. So you can see currently my bet is running right now. And I placed a $10 bet on the teams that I've just selected and showed you: Liverpool, Crystal Palace, Arsenal, and those ones. Yeah, like I said, you can choose any different games and combine them, make punchal one plus bet slips also. Like let's choose that for example, that outright winner said win. That's a best bet boost there. Like I said, you time you bring him combine him with a game odds go high. So when you like stake a small amount, you get a higher return. minimum is 100 million stake on Bet635. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how to place create a bet builder on Bet635. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Cheers. Please leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial.